They're all good. After hearing about this incident and what Palazzo went through, what can you make of that? After hearing what happened to Palazzo, what can you make of the entire situation?
What I can say is that how can my people... First of all, I'd like to apologize for what happened to Palazzo. It's so disgracing, so I apologize for them. I hope and I wish and I want them to stop whatever they're thinking of Africa. So we are all Africans, like Palazzo said. Before you are a South African, you are in a continent, a special continent, Africa. So I urge all the South Africans, East, West, whatever, and then to come as one. And just remember that you are an African. These borders are just bordering us.
They're not even physical.
No, they are not. So it's like a mindset. It's like we are captured in those borders. It's like we are divided. So I urge all the Africans to become one and talk about it and never talk about it again. Just preach love.
Okay. Last question before we switch to the questions from the audience. You did a project with Palazzo around this time. Why did you choose to do this project and what is the project about?
The project that we did is Africa Show Me Love. Hashtag Africa Show Me Love. Africa Show Me Love. Simple as that. It's a song that we did written by Dr. Malinga, Palazzo, Chomani, and also the beat by Shizi. So it's a collaboration. We are helping each other. Some of my parts were written by Palazzo. Some of my parts were written by Chomani. Why? Because we want to share the message. It's not all about who's good, who's bad. Do you understand? It's all about sending the message. So we're hoping all the African people, African nations can join the movement, East, West, South, everywhere. So they just join the movement, Africa Show Me Love. It's a song that we did. I hope it's out now. It's out, and then also the video is short. They can go to our social medias and then they will see that, it's a campaign. We're campaigning that we are all Africans. We have everything that we need, minerals, petrol, everything. We just have to trade with love. Simple as that. I think we are brainwashed. We are brainwashed because of, white people can give blacks guns. And guess what? Black will use guns to each other. So this is what we are fighting for. Because of before, like I said, in Africa there were no borders. So these borders are bordering us. So these people came with their plans to destroy Africa, to depart Africa, to separate Africa from Africa. Do you understand? So, like I said before, they shared us. Portugal took Mozambique, whatever. So they're making us forget our culture as well. So, but we will fight this this mindset. And again, we are asking Africans, because of this, not only a campaign of ours. No. Everyone can join in. Like I saw the brothers of bikes, they join in, and I just said, Palazzo, your country loves you. And I was so happy that the Ugandan showed Palazzo the love. But I was sad again when I heard Palazzo saying that this should have been maybe my funeral, but I survived, and I thank God for that. So, Palazzo, we are together, my brother.
Thank you so much. In this world, you've been to almost all African countries. Your music speaks to the masses. What can you make of this experience?
First, before I actually make of this experience, I want to welcome back my brother in one place. And I still want to condemn those people who were peddling the wrong information. That was actually not even second-hand, fifth-hand or tenth-hand information, because I was properly informed about the dangers that befell in South Africa. I want to thank Dr. Malinga taking care of my brother. I want to thank you too. And the entire South African community. You got a community that took charge. I want to thank Norman Ganja. I also want to tell Palazzo one piece of advice. This is not going to be music, I'm going to pass a piece of advice that next time you go to those countries and find the right companions and know the bad areas where you should go. Yes, because what I know innocently, Palazzo moved into an area that is very violent and the repercussions and the scars that he's been talking about. So, to our brothers living in diaspora, most especially in South Africa, like Palazzo has already said from his mouth that he's forgiven everybody, and he has also added a compliment to say that not every South African is the same attitude. That doesn't generalize them. So musically, Palazzo has already taken charge and to inform the rest of the world about such bad acts, and I think I'll wait to leave that for him first and then I'll join in later. Okusokera ddajja okwaniriza Palazzo n'omukulisa ekwatira ku byonga muntu mulamu mulamba n'okwebaza aba South Africa bannayuganda babeerayo abamulabiridde family ya Norman Ganja, Philip Ganja, nebaza ne Dr. Malinga ebyo omunene nyo South Africa kuba nti naye ensonga ezamukwatako najja namudduukirira, nebaza mami Chaka kuba nti naye yatwala obuvunaanyizibwa najja adduukirire namwena wenna abaali abamusabira naye najja kutuusa obubaka eri abantu abali batambuza information nga bakitambuza mu bulagajjavu nga yanjinyumyako ye nga bwayagala ebeere ng'ate nze nali mpuliziganya ne Palazzo okuviira ddala ng'akyekwese nga bagala nali actually zona okulaba manager wange Bijou. So ekyo ekikola si kituufu, tulekera okusaliranga abantu okuteekawo embeera gwe gy'otalinako bujulizi, wabula tubeerenga basanyufu nti omuntu akyali mulamu mulamba ku lw'ensonga ze tuli akafaananyi ka Palazzo ng'ali mu ddwaliro agalamidde Kataana. Oyo omulamu yali agamidde Kataana yali asooka nga mufuufu. Bangi batugenzeko mu mbeera bwetyo ne tubakaabira ate ne wayitawo wiiki ne tubyerabira. So mbeebaza nnyo mwenna abamuteramu essaala. Palazzo akomyewo mulamba nziba bakwana naddala abakyala bali bankubira nnyo amasimu Palazzo akomawo nga bankubira ne bagamba nja kubategeeza era babategeezako nti oli wano singa bwe basinga bannamawulire naye nga muganda we Palazzo nakuteeka mu ssaala zange era ndi musanyufu nti okyali mulamu oli mulamba. Ekya music ogaa tunakozesa music okuba ntwadressinga ekintu ekyo Palazzo akikoze dda n'omuyimbi we South Africa oyo munene nnyo munene nnyo alinga nze naye bakoze dda yes legend Dr. Malinga bakoze dda music oyo kati ate tusala tudire mayinja abiri tukakubisa ekinyonyi kimu ekyo Palazzo ekinyonyi ataazo kikubako katukirire ekigwe ku ttaka ate tutandikirawo.
My message to the world is xenophobia exists in South Africa and in so many other parts of Africa, and it's very sad that that still exists in the 21st century. My message to the South Africans that attacked me is, I forgive you from the bottom of my heart. In fact, I didn't know how strong I was until I had to decide to forgive you. I got convinced by Mr. Tomani numerous times. Mr. Tomani told me we are gonna try to fight this, but you have to have forgiveness in your heart. You need to forgive these people from the bottom of your heart. Yes, a lot has been said and done, but what I'm saying is I'm gonna dedicate my positive energy towards creating a difference in the world. Njagala tukeerencha ng'omuna Uganda asobola okugenda oba mu South Africa oba mu Sudan ne yeeyagalira yonna gy'alaze nga tasosolwa olw'okuba ekyo kyali ng'omufirika kubanga we are all Africans. Njagala sigamba nti nze ngenda otuukiriza ekyo naye mu capacity yange as a small Ugandan boy I am gonna make the baby step. Nyinza n'okuba siriba mulamu nga nafaddanga ekyo bwe kiraabeererawo. But I'm saying I am gonna make the baby step towards change in Africa. Tugenda kola campaign. Me, I've been a victim to xenophobia and it's not fun. But the difference between me and so many others to come and so many others that have come and go is I survived. And you have a voice. And I'm lucky and I have a voice. The question is, will your brother survive tomorrow? Will your sister survive tomorrow? So that's my message. I hope I can use my capacity and voice to change the world. And I hope Dr. Malinga is a very powerful, strong force to reckon with in South Africa. With his voice, I do believe a lot of South Africans can change their attitudes towards foreigners and become good just like the rest of them that I happen to meet. With my voice, now even Ugandans can change in so many ways, and the rest of the world can change. It's all about peace, love, and unity for Africa. I forgive them all. I have scars on my heart. I have scars in my brain. I have scars on my body. I have scars inside my body. Some will heal, some will never heal. My mother's tears, some will dry, some will never dry. But my message is, I forgive all of them for it. And I will love to serve as an example of somebody that fought for what's right. And what is right, Africa is for all of us, all as Africans.
Thank you, thank you. Uncle Jesus.
With my brother, until we meet again. We miss you, we love you. Yes, I'm calling upon everybody. I haven't been around with this movement, but the name is Ubiji. But please, mwenamuje tujukire AK47 kurunaku luno, his music tumulekerede nnyo tukibeeremu. Chameleon, Wizo Manizo, John Black, Message, Banji, Semakokiro Entertainment. We are coming together as a family. Don't take it to Shinowamu, Tuliwamu, Era RIP Soldier, AK47, Kabalasi, I love you. Chongere mbongezi tujikire legend bafebe prophet bafetuleme nabala mutongero bagala tetukoma kwabo boka abafa tubajukire nga nabala mutubagale nga bashali.
And then Palazzo, one final, tell us about what is about to be dropped today.
Yes, we are releasing, this song has been produced by one of the best African producers, Shizi. It features Dr. Malinga, a legendary South African artist. It is a project that has been put together by Mr. Tomani, industry executive. It is against xenophobia, and it is a campaign for Africans to come together as Africa. The video is already out, and we're going to be releasing the video. Post in natural, all of it is also the full membanga lemanenga siriho ya akomererwe na yoke nkomye hotu wendesha kugenda bila wako. Yama.